How you can kill rats, mouse, or other insects in your home, in your office, in fact, in your bedroom, with these two powerful ingredients that I want to share with you. You will get rid of those mouse disturbing you. But before I proceed on this video, I want to let you know that my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men, natural home remedies. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, please do well to hit the like button to support this channel. Subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell to get notification each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. In the other hand, natural ways to get rid or to take care of your home. Now, what are the ingredients you need to use to get rid of mouse, insects, and rats in your house? The two ingredients are, number one is chlorphenicol. Yes, if you know chlorphenicol, that capsule is very powerful. Use it to do what I will teach you in this video. Now, the second ingredient you need could be crayfish, normal fish, or anything you know that rats normally eat. So if you know anything that will attract rats, like fish, crayfish, or anything that attracts rats, use it with chlorphenicol. Now, how are you going to prepare these powerful ingredients to get rid of mouse, insects, and rats in your room? Very simple. All you need is to bring a small flat plate. Put the fish or the crayfish you want to use to do this. Now, add enough chlorphenicol, maybe 3 to 4, 5 capsules of this chlorphenicol. Mix it together and mix it thoroughly. After the mixture, that's all. But ensure that your mouth did not touch these ingredients or this mixture, because it kills human being. It kills anything that has blood. So do not eat it or taste it. Now, after you do this, the next thing for you to do is to put these ingredients or this mixture at the strategic place, those places that rats normally comes, or if you know their house or their room, go and put these ingredients in there. Watch what will happen. You will see that you will start carrying rats, dead rats, out of your room. So try this and come back here with testimonies. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. Please support this channel by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the bell to always get notification each time I publish a good video like this. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to all your friends and families. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to all your friends and families. I wish you good luck and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.